Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block my AI on Snapchat. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So, in order for you to remove my AI on Snapchat, what you are going to do is to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. But for example, you don't want to do that. What you are going to do is to try to send suggestion that you want to have the ability to remove your AI. So to do that, go to settings and then from the feedback section, what you're going to do is to tap on I have a suggestion. Now choose settings and then right here, you can suggest that you want to have the ability to remove your AI. That's it. If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.